Welcome to this tutorial on manually adding and importing stock in XtraPOS Cloud. This is a crucial step that must be done ideally before going live so that you are in control of the stock you physically have. Let's begin. Hover on the Stock tab and press the Item Listing button. Click New. When redirected to the Stock Item Details page, start by inputting the stock code in its relevant field. A stock code is a unique code that the item must have to be processed. Next, fill in the barcode as it may be shown on the printed label for easier checkout. You can generate a random barcode by pressing the Generate Barcode button on the screen. You may also add a brief description of the item that, if enabled, will also show on the label. Next is the Style Number field, which is used in the fashion industry to identify a family variant of an item. It can also be left blank. The Variant Family field is applied when you have more than one type of the same item, for example, having different sizes/colors. The Add-on Item field is used to sell another item in addition to the one you are creating. The Variable Barcode field is used when you want to have prices or weight embedded in the barcode. From the Visible Online field, the item can be transferred to the website, and you can add hashtags from the Tags field. There's also the option to import an image of the product. In the Main Properties section, you have to select the correct department that corresponds to the item. Select the product category and, if applicable, select the product type. The rest of the remaining fields are to be filled to your needs and wants. Once ready, press Save. If you are on the Stock Item Detail page, you can add the price. There is no need to execute the next few steps. You can just scroll down. To find the saved item, hover over the Stock tab and click Item Listing. Click on one of the search options shown on the screen and fill in the field with the product's information and press Refresh. Once found, click on the file icon on the left side of the item. It is important to know that only once the item has been created can you insert the price. Scroll down, and when you have found the Price List tab, input the price that the item is currently selling for in the normal price and the price that you are going to sell the item for in the price level 1. You input a price in price level 2 and price level 3, mostly when running a promotion. You input a lower selling price, and without changing the price level 1, if enabled from settings, the price level of the item will automatically fall to the second or third. In the wholesale row, you have to type in the amount the item has been purchased for. Once done, press the Save Changes button. To enable the change in the price levels, hover on the Parameters tab, click on Administration, and click on Outlets or Locations. Find your store outlet and click on Price Levels as shown on the screen. Choose your price list and click on Edit. Click on Price Level 2, Date From to choose a date, and click on the date to so you select an end date. It is important to know that the price of items that don't have a price level will revert to the original price upon selling them. Now let's move on to how to import stock and prices in the XtraPOS Cloud. The benefit of importing stock and prices is that it avoids typing in details manually. To import stock in batches, hover over Import and click Import Stock Items. Once you have been redirected to the Import Data page, click on Download Import Templates. An Excel file will be downloaded for you to open. Once the file has been opened, press the Stock Items tab. You must fill in the following fields: stock code, barcode if applicable, description, product category, department code, and VAT code. When done, from the same Excel file, go to the Stock Item Prices tab. In the first column, type in the stock code of the item. In the third type, in the normal selling price of the item. In the fourth column, type in the price at which you are selling it. The rest of the columns are to be filled in if applicable. Once done, you have to save both files as a CSV by clicking on Save As. Click on Save AS Type and select CSV. Once saved, go to the Import Data page on XtraPOS. Click on Browse and find the stock Excel file. Select an action and scroll down to Step 2 to press Validate. If there are any errors with the file, they will be displayed in Step 3. If no errors are displayed, scroll down to Step 4 and press Import. To import the prices, hover over the Import button and click the Stock Items Selling Prices. Click Browse and select the Prices Excel file. Once done, continue the import process as before. Hope that you have found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.